I've got this empty plastic cans of paint that I use for my apartment. I'm going to transfer it into pots, like flower pots. Let's see how it comes out. Nothing much. All you need is Fevicol, which is like around 40 rupees. Get it in any hardware store. You need a narcal dori. 20 bucks or 10 bucks a bunch like this. First we'll make a hole. Okay. See, and then I mean actually apartment is सबकी जो अच्छे driller filler and then, but over here just jugaad. Okay. It's the sharp at finishing. Yeah. Put the body in hole. Put the hole. I mean, put the rope inside the hole. Okay. With the barcode on, then it's easier to wrap it. See how it will become. Okay. I'm going to take a wrap quickly easier. So let's do the wrap. What we'll do is with this Fevicol take it to my knee and roughly apply it. এদিকে যখন wrap করব জিনিসটা ঠিক করে লেগে যাবে এরকম খুশি লাগে না Be generous. Fevicol counts for like around 30 bucks for this one. 40 bucks for this one. Sorry, 40 bucks for this dabba. And be generous. Yeah. And just wrap this. Narcal dori এরকম ভাবে wrap করতে থাকুন আর একটুখানি দাঁড়িয়ে দিন Fevicolটা wrap it around. Make sure it's tight. মানে এখানে গ্যাপ যেন না থাকে see the gaps. এই গ্যাপগুলো ঠেলে দেবেন So any khali dabbas if you have, and this rope would cost you like 20 bucks. Any hardware store in Calcutta. Hey, sorry, not 20, 10 bucks for this bundle. And Fevicol is kitna 40 rupees, 40 bucks, 40 taka. And that's it. I'll show you in my apartment how I would be hanging this. These are the hanging pots that I would make. I have to buy the chain which I would be hanging it. আমি জানি না কোথা দিয়ে পাবো এটাকে গুগল করতে হবে but I will just check the local store. Now the stores are like closed. So I'll check the stores and see where it is from. Like I saw this thing is on Amazon. It's like for 4 or 5 of them was like 600 bucks. So I'm doing a local hack, like a very easy hack. And then and you know it's I mean you feel good also, it's a feel good factor as well, like you're doing your own stuff.
A little bit tight. Loose puzzle it, and I'm gonna put it like so. A bit tight. And once I bring it, I don't push it back, so it's easier. I'm gonna put some more Fevicol.
You won't believe this, Kathi, the sticks. These were kulfi ice cream sticks. So after having I was a fan of kulfi ice cream, the candy ones, Kathi. खाने के बाद इसको साफ करके रख देना चाहिए and it comes out very handy. Like, see one of the use.
फेविकॉल का मजबूत जो है टूटेगा नहीं। Almost done. What we'll do is, end में जरूरत टाइम में वो put फेविकॉल जलने से appetite हो जाता है, सोख हो जाता है।
I mean the root. चलो इनका की चिक्को लगा था कि चलो इतना ओपन। Alright, you can see. Cut over here. নিশ্চয়ই দেখেছেন বাড়িতে যখন the furniture guy, when the carpenter puts sticks in sunlight laminate, tape use for it. So that's what we'll do till the Fevicol dries up and gets the rope gets done. So just put this in. Nice and easy. What is so far done, what I'll do is color this part, color this edges up, and this is a hanging pot. So I have to buy the chain. 3 দিক থেকে চেন লাগিয়ে বা দুদিক থেকেও লাগানো যাবে অ্যাকচুয়ালি, দুদিক থেকে চেন লাগিয়ে হ্যাঙ্গেল। So that part is yet to be done. ঠিক আছে, আরেকটা লাগিয়ে I'll just actually, what I'll do is I'll put some more of this Fevicol.
I'll put one more.
Alright, so now this is ready. देखिए, I've got this rubber. এটা আপনার ওখানে পাওয়া যায়, কাঁচের দোকানে ইদার। So, just I put it around this edges. The ভালো finish there. ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, this chains that I bought, যে কোনো হার্ডওয়্যার দোকান থেকে পাওয়া যাবে। This is you get this from any hardware shop. A pair of this is how much was it? $80. Then color round case of color is black. Now what I'll do is I'll put 3 holes in the edges over here around and then hang it. So this is how it looks like, the end product. I've done this for the first time. Not bad, right? I'll show you how it would look like once I hang it in my apartment. सब कुछ हो जाए और पड़े. Nice, you can do it in one day, yaar. I mean, it's damn easy. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll keep on updating. A lot of stuff gonna come up in the channel. Please feel free to subscribe, yeah, and hit the like button. Put in some comments if there is any feedback. Love to hear the feedbacks. Thank you guys. Cheers.